Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So as today, Realme has announced its new smartphone in GT series, which is called Realme GT5 Pro. So today in this video guys, we are going to talk about this handset. Like I will tell you its features, price, and lastly I'll share my clear one line opinion like this handset is worth buying or not in last of this video. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So let's start with the color options guys. So we have got three different colors you can see on screen. So let me just tell you quick specifications also. So we have got a 6.78 inches full HD plus AMOLED display, and this is 1.5K display and comes with 144 Hz of refresh rate, and also comes with 1600 nits of peak brightness and PWM dimming also. Now in terms of processor, this sensor comes with octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform and comes with Adreno 750 GPU. Now in terms of RAM and ROM, we have got 12GB RAM, 16GB RAM, and 256GB storage, 512GB storage, and 1TB storage option. And in terms of Android version, we have got Android 14 with MIUI obviously on the top, and 5G dual SIM with 5G SA NSA support is there on this handset. Now coming to the cameras guys, so we have got triple rear setup. So first sensor here is a 50MP Sony sensor which is FYM and comes with aperture of f1.69, and second one is a secondary 8MP ultra wide angle 112 degree ultra wide angle lens, and this is also Sony sensor. And last one is again Sony sensor, which is 50MP periscopic telephoto camera and comes with 3x of optical zoom. Now in terms of front, we have got a single 32MP again Sony sensor, and which comes with aperture of f2.4. Now in terms of fingerprint sensor, we have got in-display fingerprint sensor and comes with IR blaster as well. Now battery capacity of this handset is 5400 mAh, which is a really good thing, and comes with 100 watt of fast charging support, which is really awesome, and comes with 50 watt fast charging for wireless, which is again awesome. Now coming to the pricing, so starting price of this handset is $478, which is roughly around 40,000 Indian rupees. So now let's jump to my opinion. So guys, I would say for this price, this handset is really good, I would say. So guys, I will make a unboxing video of this handset when this handset gets launched in India. So till then, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, just drop your question in the comment section below guys, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.